Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to make the elf on a shelf. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes, and starting right here, I'm just going to make a little sad face shape like this, and then a little line underneath it just to connect it. Then over here I'm going to do the same thing, draw a little sad face shape for the eye. And then underneath it, just draw a little line to connect it. Then I'm going to make a little curved line over here, and I'm just going to color in part of it, just to kind of create the pupil shape right there. We're going to have them kind of looking over that way. Now, right under here, I'm just going to draw a little kind of smiley face shape for the nose. And then underneath that, I'm going to make a bigger smiley face that just kind of curves like this. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes down and then comes back up like this. Then I'm just going to put two little lines right here just for some dimples, and then a little curved line for the tongue. Now, right above here, I'm going to make the line for the hat. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve around like this, kind of like a big sad face. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's just going to curve up for one part of his hair. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to come out a little bit, like makes a little point, and then it's going to curve back up. Then I'm just going to draw another little line that goes down and then comes back up like this. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve down. And then it's just going to curve back up like this for the face. Then right here, I'm just going to make a little curved line, kind of like a little oval for an ear. And then I want to do the same thing on this side. Then I'm going to draw two little lines down here for the neck. And then a little line that just connects them like this. Now we want to make the hat. So to draw the hat, you want to start right here above the ear and just draw a line that goes straight up, and then same thing over here. And then I'm just going to make a little line that just connects them like this, another little sad face curve line. Now to make the hat, it's really easy. I'm just going to make a tall line that goes up. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here, so it looks like a little triangle shape, and then it just meets right in the middle. Now we want to make his outfit. So starting right here, I'm going to draw two diagonal lines, one on each side of the neck. I can make them a little bit longer. And then I'm just going to make some little kind of zigzag lines, almost, or like a little triangle, just kind of goes up and down. And I'm just going to do this a couple times over here. And then I'm just going to connect them right there. Now, the elf on the shelf, he has some really long arms. So, I'm going to start right here, and all you want to do is draw a line that curves down, and it's going to look a little funny because it's going to be really long. And you're just going to curve it down here. Then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw a line that goes down. I'm going to bring it kind of close to this line. And then I'm just going to make it a little bit wider out here. And then you can just connect these two lines. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes in, It's going to kind of curve around and then go in and just connect to there for a hand. Now I'm going to put the other arm over here. So kind of the same thing, just going to draw a line. It's going to go out, and then it's just going to kind of go all the way down to this hand. Then I'm going to draw this line. It's going to go down, and then it's just going to kind of curve back like this. It's going to look a little funny, but that's okay. He's made of fabric. And then just make a little curved line that kind of pops out under here. Then on each arm, I'm just going to add 1 or 2 little lines just to make it look like his arm's kind of bending. Now right here by his arm, you're going to draw a line that's just going to go up, and then it's going to curve down like this. And then you're just going to jump over the arm and draw a line, not too long, just kind of goes down and then curves back up like this. Then do the same thing over here. Just draw a line. It can go a little bit over. It doesn't have to be so rounded. Kind of goes over and then down. And then I'm going to make this one a little bit longer, and then just come down here and curve it back up. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that goes down, and then it's just going to kind of curve in like this. And then I'm just going to make a little line right here. This is just going to kind of show where his leg is. And then last thing is you just want to draw a little line right here for his body. And there is your simple drawing of the elf on a shelf. Very easy. Now, you can always add some more details in here too. So let me show you a couple details and then we'll start coloring this. So if you want to make it look a little bit more interesting, you can just start right here and you can just draw a line that just goes straight across here. And then another one on the other side. Then I'm just going to make a line that goes down, and then it's just going to kind of curve over. Same thing over here, just kind of jump over, go down, and then just come straight up here. Then I'm just going to make a little line that curves down and then comes back up like this. And then another one here. This can just be like the little shelf he's on. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to go up, over, and then back down. Make it look like there's a book over here. And then right here, I'm going to draw a little diagonal line that just kind of goes over. And another little book shape, and then this one's going to be kind of at an angle, like it's kind of resting on its side. And then over here, you can just add a little Christmas tree. So to do this, I'm just going to draw some little kind of zigzag lines going down at an angle. And then I'll do the same thing on this side. Then you can just connect it with a curved line. And then I'm just going to draw 2 little lines going down. And then you can just kind of add a bunch of little circles on here for different ornaments, make them different sizes. Little things like this. But you guys can be creative, you can put whatever you want to on there. But there you go, there's your drawing of the elf on a shelf. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.